Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm here to present a webinar on furnace monitoring system and its application. First of all, I would like to start with my company background. Our company, Accurate Sensors, established in 1994 in Israel, and in 2009, there is a joint venture between Tempsons and AST, and a new company has formed, AST India. But now, AST India is a separate entity. AST has a vast range of products. We have IR sensors, thermal cameras, black bodies, and furnace cameras. In 2018, we have started a new unit for thermal imager products named AccuOp. If I talking about our company AST, our core is our performance and our products and our services, which help our customer to fulfill their expectations and increase their productivity. We always believe in long-term relationship with customers, employees, shareholders, and vendors. And we also provide solution in the field of infrared technology and offering industry-leading innovative solutions. Now, I start my topic with furnace monitoring system and its application. AST high temperature furnace camera system is engineered for durability and longevity, which provide a solution in many complex process challenges. We use a special video or thermal camera with high precision pinhole lens, which is mounted inside a stainless steel probe. The probe is equipped with vortex air water cooling system that enable the system to work in high temperature environment and a continuous supply of air, which keeps the lens clean. The camera is inserted through a gravity-loaded shutter, which opens the force of camera probe and shuts the camera furnace opening when the probe is removed. Here, we have two types of cooling media. First one is air-cooled furnace camera system, and another one is air plus water-cooled furnace camera system. FMS system is mainly used for high temperature application. It is an excellent tool to increase furnace productivity and product quality. The system allows analysis of furnace operation, and if necessary, it provides corrections of problems such as erratic flame patterns, process flows, and furnace performances. By this system, you can also monitor the burner flame characteristics. So, flame length, shape, angle can be adjusted for optimal operations. In our furnace monitoring system, we have three categories. First one is high temperature video view furnace camera system. Another one is high temperature thermal view furnace camera system. And the last one is high temperature fixed mount furnace camera system. In video view furnace camera system, we initialize this product as a TFV series. Our high temperature thermal view furnace camera system, we initialize as our TE series, and fixed mount camera system, we initialize as our FMC series. AST TFV series provides a wide angle view of burner flames, material alignment, and other process conditions inside the glass furnace, boiler, reheating furnace, kiln, cooler, or other combustion chambers. It uses a special SD camera with high precision pinhole lens, which mounted inside the stainless steel probe. Our TFV series can be mounted on the wall of the furnace. In our TFV series, we have four models: TFV 750, TFV 750 OV, TFV 1100, and TFV 1100 OV. The difference between 750 and 1100 model is the wall thickness. If wall thickness is 400 mm, you can go with 750 model. And if your wall thickness is 600 mm, then you can go with 1100 model. OV initialized as an elbow view. Next one is our TE series. AST TE series is designed to monitor high temperature environments and detect hot spot temperature gradients, and other thermal anomalies in real time. The system uses a high-resolution thermal imaging camera and advanced software to capture and analyze temperature data from the furnace, and then it provides critical information about the condition of the furnace to the operators. The system is capable of measuring temperatures up to 2500 degrees centigrade and can be configured to provide continuous monitoring of multiple zones with the furnace. It is having a user-friendly interface which allow operator to easily view and analyze data, set alarms, alerts, and make necessary adjustment to furnace operations. In TE series, again, we have four models: TE750, TE750OV, TE1100, and TE1100OV. Now, our FMC series. AST FMC series is designed to provide real-time monitoring of temperature and pressure data in high-temperature environments such as furnaces and boilers. Overall, the AST FMC Furnace Monitoring System series provides an effective and reliable solution for monitoring high-temperature environment and ensuring the safe and efficient operation of furnace and boilers in a range of industrial applications. In FMC series, we have four models. First one is FMC 100 VFL, which is our high temperature fixed mount camera with auto iris varifocal lens. Our next one is FMC 100 VFL FF. It is our model high temperature fixed mount camera with auto iris varifocal lens and pneumatic furnace flap shutter system. Next one is FMC 300 PHL, which is our model high temperature fixed mount camera with 750 mm pinhole lens tube. The last one is FMC TE750, which is our model high temperature fixed mount camera with 750 pinhole lens tube. This is the general drawing of our system. You can see here the camera system, control system, and the display. This is the schematic diagram of the system, in which you can see that the system is connected with fiber optic cable, and as per the customer requirement or the model requirement, you can choose either the display or the computer system. And you can also check the cooling media. If as per the requirement, customer requirement, you can either choose water cooling system or air cooling system. You can understand these configurations with this simple block diagram. In our TFB series, we have video camera retraction system, then we have a control panel, and then display. In our TE series, we have thermal camera refraction system, control panel, and then computer system. And in our FMC series, we suggest our video camera fixed mount system, control panel, and then display. This is the image of our furnace monitoring system. In this, you can see the different parts of the system like shutter, water inlet outlet system, pneumatic retraction system, base plate, wall sleeves. This is a small animation video of our FMS system. In this video, you can check how our retraction system works. So, our TFB and TE series consists three major parts. First one is pneumatic retraction system. Second one is camera with pinhole lens tube. Third one is control panel. Monitor computer system are optionally, which is basically depends on the customer or the model requirement for viewing and recording purpose. Now, first one is pneumatic retraction system. Our pneumatic retraction system is auto retraction system, which is having a maximum speed of less than 1 millisecond. It is having adjustable plastic side element and also having a manual insertion or retraction push button. It is a roadless and lightweight pneumatic system. Now, for video view and camera view, we have following cameras. For video view camera, we are using either CCD, CMOS, IP camera, analog camera, auto iris, or autofocus camera. Or for thermal camera, we are using TE700 gig IP camera with a resolution of 640 into 480. These are some images of our pinhole lens tube. You can check here our straight view as well as our angle view images. Now, for talking about our control panel, then our control panel consists of two parts. First one is electronic part and second one is pneumatic part. In this picture, you can see the electronic as well as the pneumatic part. In our electronic part, you will get PCB, power supply, terminal blocks, MCBs, LED indications, and push buttons. While in our pneumatic system, you will get air filter, mist separators, pressure switches, speed controllers, solenoid valves, NRVs, water flow switches, and reservoir tank with pressure gauge and quick release valve. Now, if I am talking about our fixed mount camera, then our fixed mount camera series operates in the furnace environments up to 1000 degrees centigrade. It is installed securely on the outer wall of the furnace through a conical aperture. It is used in the wall thickness of 250 mm and it is having a wide angle view of 110 degree with 100 degree diagonal tapered view required. And it is having a furnace flap which is used to prevent backfire and over temperature. As I informed you earlier that our fixed mount camera series have several categories, which is our FF system, BFL, and pinhole lens tube. These are some images of this system. First image is pneumatic furnace flaps. Second one is varifocal lens, and third one is pinhole lens tube. Our system also have interlock safety system. In this case, if your temperature increases, in air pressure decreases, water flow decreases, or in case of power failure, the system is automatically retract out. Now here, there are some glimpses of our software which we are providing with our thermal view furnace camera system. In our software, with our software, you will get a real-time live video. And it is also having a store and playback history mode button, which is used to display the video which are recorded in the past. It is also having the facility to draw ROI. ROI is initialized as reason of interest. It is used to get the temperature of any particular area of the frame. We also having a histogram facility which display the histogram of the selected ROI between the temperature and the occurrence. It is also having a variety of color palettes available to change the display of the video. We are also providing OPC connectivity, which is totally optional and depends on the customer requirement. These are some images of our TFB series video view and TE series thermal view. Except this, we are having some special cameras which we are offering in glass melting furnaces, as well as we are also providing spare parts as it depends on the customer requirement. In our glass melting series, we have two models, TFB 1100G and TE 1100G. Our system provides the information about the furnace condition and the performance of its component. It is having a user-friendly interface, allow for easy data visualization, analysis, alarm configuration, and necessary adjustment, which is used to optimize furnace operations. Thermal camera system employs an OPC protocol, which enables communication between different software application and devices, which involves in monitoring and controlling different industrial processes. These are the applications where we are using our FMC system. This is in cement application, in steel plants, in glass plant, in power plant, in waste incinerator plants, we are offering our model FMS. Here are some applications. So in cement industry, like suppose kiln application, we are suggested our model TFB 750 and TE 750. This is the video view of kiln application. You can see the burner flame inside the refractory wall of kiln and clinker. Now, in cement industry cooler application, we are suggesting our model TFE 750OV and TE 750OV. This is a video view of cooler application in cement plant. In this process, we suggested our OV model because the camera is mounted on the side wall of the cooler. Now, in steel industry reheating furnace application, we suggested our model TFV 1100. In this video, this is the video view of reheating furnace application in steel industry. You can see the burner flame, heating of the steel bars and the roller movement for the proper entry and exit of the bar. In PowerPoint boiler application, we suggest our model TFV 750OV. In in power plants, there are a fire bar application where we suggest this model. We here offer TFV 750OV because the camera system is mounted above the burners. And as per the boiler size and capacity, minimum 2 or maximum 4 cameras can be mounted for this application. In the glass industries for crown furnace application, we suggest our special model TFV 1100G. This is used for glass melting furnaces. It is our special camera in glass melting furnaces. Its insertion length is up to 800 mm. As we know that in glass melting furnaces, the positive pressure is very high and its ambient temperature is also very high as compared to other furnaces. This is next application, waste incinerator application. We suggest our model TFP 750. In this video, you can check that we have already installed our model AST TFP 750OV model in a plant. It is a power plant boiler application where we have given our model TFP 750OV. You can see the insertion retraction of the system. By this view, you can observe the position of the firewall. If it is shifted, then you can adjust your burner. In this video, you can see the software screen used in thermal kiln view. Here, you can see the measuring temperature range from 700 to 1800 degrees centigrade. You can also draw ROI, which is region of interest, and tag the alarms on minimum, maximum, and average temperature of the area.
Thank you for attending the webinar.